Okay guys, part 2 here. Putting this lighter back together here. And seeing how it works, alright? Let's see, I'm going to take this here, put it back in here. Put the piezo back down over that. And put it on like that. Force that down there like that. Next step is well, actually I should have put this in before. Else, yeah, I better take that out. I don't want to put too much pressure on that piezo. I'll sneak it in here. Getting too big of a hurry for this camera to get things done here. You know what? Might as well just take it off. Messing me up anyway. Need to actually get a smaller O-ring. Remember that O-ring I put on there? It was too much. Find something halfway reasonable. We'll go with that one. Broke it. Wonderful break is trying to get it on. That one's the wrong one anyway. Too many O-rings on here. Get in there. Alright. There we go. That's the way it was before, just like that. Okay. Alright, just like that, alright? Now let's put the piezo back together. Doggone it. Slow down, Doug. Slow down. Good Lord. Slow down. Alright. Let's get this pin in here. These pins, I think that was for the other one. I don't think that was the same. Yeah, they're the same. Alright. These pins will fall out on you pretty easily, so keep track of that. move already. There we go. Yeah, hold on a minute here. I'll adjust that PCO a little bit, I think. Nah. Alright, get done there. Hey, Stu Moyle. If you're watching, I got your lighter. Alright. Okay. Let's screw back in there. Find my screwdriver. And I'll use this one over here. Guys, don't ever tighten down these filler valve caps, okay? All they need to be is just like fingernail tight, you know? Alright. Alright, let's turn down a little bit. Okay. Let's turn it up some. Let's turn it up a little more. There we go. You know, these lighters here, guys, this is a real solid design. Real solid design. This in here, this is my first one right here. This is my second one. Or no, this is my second one. My third one. These are nice lighters, guys. They're built solid. These are solid built lighters. You can't go wrong with them. You see how easy they were to repair. You know, you just, those things, that's easy to repair. You just can't beat that, you know. Those things are real easy. Compared to other lighters, anyway, that I've done. Some of my other lighters, you know, that are a little hard and difficult. These are easy to repair. These here F12s. After you've done a few. But I guess once you learn something, everything's easy. Alright, I think that's all I got to say for right now, guys.